Rahim. This is lecture for class 8, exercises 1.1. Book of Peshawar Board. Open the exercise 1.1 on page number 6. In the previous lecture, I have explained about the matrices. Due to that explanation, you can able to do inshallah question number 1 and question number 2. I have started with question number 3. Now question number 3 is A equal to 3, 2, minus 4, minus 2, 5 and 0. 2, 1 and 5, minus 3, 4 and 6. Is A 1, 2? This A 1, number of rows, it shows the number of row. This 2 shows the number of column. I have written let A equal to A 1, 1, first row, first column, A 1, 2, first row, second column, A 1, 3, first row, third column. Now, here I have to find the value of A 1, 2, A 1, 2, A 1, 2, A 1, 2 is here. We move to the matrix compare is 2, A 1, 2 is 2. Now in the second part he has given to find A 2, 3. Compare it, A 2, 3 is, here is 0, A 2 is, 2, 3 is 0. Remaining part do it by yourself. Now question number 4, he has given in question number 4 which of the following matrices are equal. For equal matrices I have explained in the previous lecture when explaining about the matrices. Equal matrices are those whose order is same as well as whose members are same. The order of A is 2 rows, 2 column, and in the matrix D is 2 rows, 2 column. Member of A is 2, 5, 1, 3, and the members of D are 2, 5, 1, 3. Therefore, they are equal. Now, B equal to C. B, there are 2 rows, 2 columns. In C, 2 rows, 2 columns. Members are 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 3 plus 2, 4 plus 1, both are 5. 4 is also 4. And 2 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. Both are same. Now, question number 5. He has given, according to the given condition of the question, A equal to B. We find the unknown. 2 minus 3, U and 0 equal to V minus 3, 5 and W. 2 equal to V, V equal to 2. Minus 3 equal to minus 3 is unknown, is not there. U equal to 5 and W equal to 0. Now in question number 6, both matrices are equal. To find the unknowns x, z, y, a and b. First, x plus 3 equal to 0. X plus 3 equal to 0, we get x equal to minus 3. Same, z plus 4 equal to 6. 4 goes to the right hand side, z equal to 2. 2y minus 7 equal to 3y minus 2. Y shifted on the left hand side and 7 on the right hand side. We get minus y equal to 5. This minus shifted on the right hand side. We get y equal to minus 5. Now, this A minus 1 equal to minus 3. A minus 1 equal to minus 3. A equal to 1 equal to minus 3. Now, minus 1 plus 1 give you minus 2. Now, we proceed further. 2c plus 2 equal to 0. Shift 2 on the right hand side. 2c is equal to 0 minus 2. Divide 2, we get c equal to minus 1. Now, b minus 3 equal to 2b plus 4. Shifted b on the left hand side and 3 on the right hand side. We get this minus b equal to 7 and b equal to minus 7. And remaining unknowns are not there. The question is complete. Now, question number 7 is the most important question according to board point of view. First matrix equal to second matrix. Find the value of unknown. Unknowns are A, B, C and D. First equal to first, we get the first equation. Second equal to second, we get the second equation. Third equal to third, we get the third equation. Fourth equal to fourth, we get the fourth equation. Now here B and B both are same. If we subtract equation 1 and equation 2, we get the value of A and C. I have done here. Subtracting 1 and 2, A plus B, B plus 2C. In subtraction, we change the sign of the second expression. Plus into minus, plus into minus, plus change into minus. Plus B minus B cancel. We get this. Now again, third equation and fourth equation are same. If we add, B's cancel. Equation number third, equation number fourth. D and D cancel, we get this. 2 common, dividing 2, we get this equation. Now, equation 5 is A minus 2C is equal to minus 5. Equation 6 is A plus C is equal to 4. Subtracting 5 and 6. 5 equation is this and 6 equation is this. We have changed the sign, plus into minus, plus into minus, plus into minus. This A with A cancel, we get 2C minus C, minus 3C, minus 5 minus 4 give you minus 9. Now, here, minus 3 dividing both sides, we get C is equal to 3. Putting the value in 5, C is equal to 5, put in 5. Equation 5 is there. C is 3. minus 6. Shift on the right hand side. Minus 5 plus 6 equal to 1. Put A is equal to 1 in equation number 1. Here. A plus B is equal to 1. A value is 1 plus B equal to 1. B equal to 1 minus 1, 0. Put A equal to 1 equation number 4. Find the value of D. 2A minus D equal to 0. Therefore, 2, the value of A is 1 minus D equal to 0. 2 minus D is equal to 0 or D is equal to 2. This question is completed. We have found all the unknowns A, B, C and D. Now, it's your home assignment. Question number 1 and question number 2. I have said in the start, due to previous explanation, you are inshallah able to do question number 1 and question number 2. Question number 3, part 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th is your home assignment. Do it by yourself. If any problem, call me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you and take care.